Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nail sanding blocks is probably one of the most essential tools in any nail care arsenal, transforming rough edges into perfectly smooth surfaces and preparing your nails for flawless polish application. But with so many options out there, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. So today we're diving deep into what makes a nail sanding block truly stand out, ensuring you achieve that professional salon finish right at home. Number 5. TsMADDTs Professional Manicure Tools Kit. Introducing our professional nail file and buffer set. This kit includes everything you need for a perfect manicure, with both files and buffer blocks. Our nail files are crafted from quality EVC and emery board materials. Use the 100 grit for shaping and the 180 grit for a smooth, refined finish on your nails. Achieve salon quality results in the comfort of your own home. These tools quickly shape and smooth your nails, saving you time and money. These vibrant buffer blocks are made from high elastic sponge for durability. They provide a gentle yet effective polish without damaging your nails. This manicure kit is perfect for all your nail needs. Whether natural, acrylic, or false nails, these tools are suitable for creating beautiful nail art. Get a complete set of 12 pieces, including 6 nail files and 6 buffer blocks. It's the ideal choice for anyone who loves nail care and art. What we like? This set offers great value with 12 pieces, including both files and buffers. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit for various nail types and enjoy having color options, this is a fantastic choice for DIY manicures at home. What people say? The buffer blocks are sturdy, easy to hold, and smooth the nail surface without feeling too harsh. The 100-180 grit files strike a nice balance, strong enough to shape the nail quickly but gentle enough for regular at-home use. This set works beautifully on both natural nails and acrylics. The files have just the right amount of grit without being harsh, and the buffers smooth everything out with very little effort. They feel durable in the hand and don't bend or crumble like most budget files. The files are sturdy, the buffers smooth perfectly, and it leaves my nails looking salon ready. Easy to use and great quality. Number 4. Maryton Nail Buffer Sanding Block Polisher 10 PCS. Achieve a perfect finish for your acrylic, dip powder, and false nails. This tool is also great for removing gel or glue, saving you trips to the salon. Its ultra-lightweight design makes it incredibly convenient to use. It's suitable for both professional nail technicians and at-home manicures. Built to last, this buffer is durable and washable. Unlike other buffers, its edges resist wear, ensuring it stays effective for longer. Experience effective grinding and buffing that won't harm your skin. It's the ideal tool for preparing your nail surface before applying gels or acrylics. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this buffing block is essential. It helps you create flawless nails more efficiently. What we like? Designed for effective grinding and buffing without harming the skin. If you work with acrylics or dip powder and need a reliable, long-lasting tool that's easy to handle, this option is perfect for both professionals and beginners. What people say? The grit is perfect for shaping and smoothing. These blocks are very durable and hold up well to frequent use. They are easy to grip and maneuver, making the filing process efficient. Number 3. Makartt Professional Nail Files 10 PCS. Introducing Makartt's professional nail files, designed for salon-quality manicures at home. This 10-piece set offers versatility for all your nail needs. Each file features 2 distinct grits, a coarser 100 grit for shaping and removing acrylics, and a finer 180 grit for smoothing and refining your nails. Experience comfortable and precise filing with the ergonomic curved design. It easily reaches the sides of your nails and is gentle around the cuticle. Crafted with high-quality materials, these nail files are built to last. They are strong, won't bend easily, and maintain their effectiveness through frequent use. Hygiene is key. These durable nail files can be easily cleaned with water and soap or disinfectant, ensuring they are ready for your next use. Perfect for natural nails, acrylics, gel extensions, and even toenails. They are also gentle enough for use as a baby nail file or for pet grooming. For the sharpest edges on new files, gently rub 2 files together before your first use. This ensures a more comfortable filing experience from the start. What we like? featuring a unique curved design for easier filing near cuticles and sides. If you need a sturdy, versatile file that can handle thick nails, extensions, and even pet grooming, this durable and reusable option is a must-have. What people say. I love the ergonomic design and sturdy construction of these files. They are wonderful quality files that last a long time. The low grit really works great on acrylics. The 100 grit removes bulk fast without having to put in a ton of effort, and the 180 on the other side helps smooth things out. Number 2. Onsen Secret Professional Nail Buffer Block. Introducing the Onsen Secret Professional Nail Buffer Block. It's designed to give your nails a natural shine while promoting healthy growth. Our patented grit technology, developed in 2004, gently buffs imperfections without damaging your nails. It helps prevent cracks and splitting. Combat dryness with our unique moisture lock technology. It reveals a brilliant, chemical-free shine that lasts up to 10 days, perfect for reversing damage from gels and acrylics. This 4-in-1 buffer smooths ridges, removes stains, buffs for circulation, and polishes to a glossy shine. It's ideal for routine maintenance and post-gel recovery. Designed for years of use, this durable block is a sustainable and cost-effective solution. Simply replace the pads as needed, and enjoy the included extra shine pads. Use it weekly on fingernails and bi-weekly on toenails. We recommend a yearly nail reboot to restore strength and vitality. What we like. This offers a patented grit technology for a chemical-free, brilliant shine that lasts. If your nails are dry, prone to cracking, or recovering from gel acrylics, this 4-in-1 buffer is ideal for restoring health and shine weekly. What people say. It works, and gives your nails an unbelievable hardcoat super shine. Works fantastic on natural nails, and acrylic nails. The shine never fades or leaves, and doesn't really scratch. In the first picture, I had used the yellow and blue sides, and it was already impressive how smooth my nails got. Then I started to shine starting with my thumb, and I immediately stopped because I was floored at the shine and took a before photo, second photo being the after. I barely rubbed the white side on my nails, and this is the shine. Freaking polished. It came with 2 replacement white sides, so I'm pretty sure this is going to last a while. My nails look so healthy and beautiful. It looks like I'm wearing a shiny clear coat. And so easy in 3 steps. First, use the clarify side that evens out your nail texture, then the boost side that smooths it out, and then the shine side that makes your nails look absolutely stunning. Number 1. 4-sided nail buffer blocks, 12-pack. Achieve a salon-quality shine with these professional-grade buffer blocks. Their consistent grit ensures a superior buff every time. Designed with a flexible sponge core, they gently conform to your nail's shape. This prevents abrasion and protects your cuticles and skin. Perfect for all types of nails, including natural, acrylic, and false nails. Use them on both fingernails and toenails. These blocks are sanitizable and reusable, offering a cost-effective solution for your nail care routine. Their convenient size makes them ideal for your purse. Maintain healthy, well-groomed nails wherever you are. Experience superior nail buffing with their built-to-last sanding surfaces. You'll get consistent results with every use. What we like. With a flexible high-density sponge core, it conforms to the nail shape without abrasion. If you prefer a gentler buffing experience for natural or acrylic nails and value a sanitizable, reusable tool for on-the-go maintenance, this 12-pack is an excellent choice. What people say. These nail sanding blocks are perfect for shaping and smoothing. The grit on these blocks is just right for natural nails and acrylics. They are durable and hold up well even with frequent use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.